lifts its face to greet the warmth that makes things right. The petals reach toward the sky, so gently without strain, as if they know that they belong right here in sun and rain. Open like a flower, let the light come in, let the warmth move through you, let it heal and mend. Breathe in all this beauty, let it fill your chest. Open like a flower and let yourself rest. The roots run deep beneath the earth and hold you safe and sure. You don't have to reach too hard, the light will find you where you are. Open like a flower, let the light come in, let the warmth move through you, let it heal and mend. every bloom reminds your heart that beauty wants to stay. The sun moves slow across the field and lingers kind and wide. It touches everything it sees and pulls the green inside. This is where the sun stays, soft and golden warm. This is where the earth breathes, safe from every storm. Close your eyes and feel it on your upturned face. This is where the sun stays. This is your quiet place. A single flower holds the whole of everything you need. A reminder in the smallest things that life begins from seed. This is where the sun stays, soft and golden warm. This is where the earth breathes, safe from every storm. Close your eyes and feel it on your upturned face. This is where the sun stays. This is your quiet place. After every winter comes a world that starts to bloom. The earth remembers how to grow, and so do I, and so do you. Don't remember cold, they only turn to light. gentle, something deep, new again, like waking from the softest sleep. You are part of all of this, the garden and the sun, the way the light falls through the leaves and reminds you you belong. You again, like petals in the morning air, new again, like something beautiful and rare. The sun has touched your shoulder,